Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed designer home offered at $429,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed designer home that's in immaculate condition. This home is offered at $429,000. This home has no bond. The back of the home does face east, and the front of the home does face west. I will take a view of the street. That is panning north, friends, and that is panning south. As I walk up to this home, you will see it has a painted concrete driveway. It is a 2-car garage home. It does have an electronic screen door that folds down. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Terry Edwards, your listing agent at Realty Executives here in the Villages, Florida. She will answer any question you have. I will leave her contact information in the description of the video. You do see the painted concrete does continue on the sidewalk leading up to the home. It has beautiful stone landscaping as well. Has a seating area. It does have a storm door as well. You can see this home is neat and clean. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floors. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. This home is neat as a pin. Off to the left, you do see the kitchen area. I will visit that area a little bit later in the video. Off to the right, you do see a guest quarter area. You do see it has laminate floors. This is a bedroom, a guest bedroom in the front of the home. Laminate floors, acoustic textured ceilings. This home does come furnished, and I did not say that in the beginning of the video. This home is furnished. This home does have raised panel white entry doors on the rooms. Here's your guest bathroom with tile floors, Formica countertops, wood cabinets. It does have a tub. And that shower surround is tile. Very good condition, very neutral colors as well. Off to this side of the home is another guest bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective, friends. This bedroom does have a bifold closet doors, raised panel, and I will show you what that closet looks like. Right there is your closet. Off to the rest of this home. Walking into the living area, you do see it has laminate floors in this living area. Very high, very spacious. Very large sliding patio doors in the back of this home. Let's take a look at that lanai area. The back of this home does face east. Here is your lanai. Concrete floors. Knockdown texture on the ceilings as well, friends. This lanai is really large. Very large lanai. Let's walk out to the back of this home. Does have a small patio out here. You can place a barbecue grill, like that barbecue grill right there. I will walk to the corner of this home and show you the side. That is your side yard. That is a newer roof. According to the spec sheet, that is a newer roof. Let's walk it back into this home and I'll show you what the rest of this home has to offer. Back into this living room area. That is your dining area right there as well. Very high ceilings, recessed lighting. That is your living area from a different perspective. This home is very neat. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 1137 Oak Forest Drive in the village of Glenbrook. This home is located very near Southern Trace Shopping Plaza. It is offered at $429,000. That is the dining room dimensions are 12 feet, 10 feet by 12 feet. Here's the rest of your specification sheet right there, friends. Kitchen is 14 feet by 10 feet. Off to the rest of this home, you do have a split bedroom design home. This is your primary bedroom. It does have tile in the hallway. It has carpet in the bedroom. Very high ceilings, acoustic textured ceilings. That is a king-size bed to give you perspective, friends. This room is very large. Primary bedroom is 18 feet by 13 feet. This room seems very large. It does have 2 walk-in closets with bifold doors. That is your walk-in closet there. Right there is your walk-in closet. Carpeted floors in the walk-in closet. There is your second walk-in closet right here. Let's open that up. There's your walk-in closet there, friends. Continuing down the hallway, off to the left you do see a linen closet. There's your linen closet for your primary bathroom. Does have a separate commode room as well. You do have carpet. There is your vanity. It has Formica countertops, wood cabinets. There is your second vanity. It has 2 sinks. Very large window in the corner. Very high ceilings. Tile is in the primary bathroom. There's your commode space. It has a hinged door. Let's see what that shower area looks like. There is your shower right there, friends. Glass door. It is a tiled shower right there. Tile floor, tile surround. Does have a seat in it. There's a different perspective of your bathroom. Off to the rest of this home, I will show you the kitchen next, friends. Give you a little different perspective on this bedroom. Very large bedroom. Off to the kitchen and the garage area we go. This is your laundry area. That laundry area has rolled vinyl floors. That door will lead out into the garage. It is a 2-car garage. Concrete floors are in very good condition. Let's see what this has to offer. There are your mechanicals. There's a hot water heater right there, friends. Let's take a walk and take a look at that kitchen area next. Here's the kitchen. It does have wainscoting on the bar area in that kitchen. Formica countertops, 2-bowl stainless sink. Glass tile backsplash. That is your backsplash right there. It does have a natural gas stove. Very nice. Very high ceilings as well in this kitchen area. It does have an island. Right there, I'll give you a different perspective of what this looks like. These appliances are newer, and they do look newer. Give you a last panoramic view of this living and dining area. This home is awesome. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. Feel free to share the video with your friends who may be interested in this home. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of that street. Here I am walking out to the street. Wanted to give you one last view of this front seating area. This home has a very nice deep setback. That's panning left. Awesome landscaping. This is panning right. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Terry Edwards at Realty Executives. She will help you with any questions about this home. Next, I will walk to the street. I'll give you one last view of this home. I'll spin around. There you have it, folks. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed designer home with a newer roof, no bond, and it does come furnished, offered at $429,000, located in the village of Glenbrook, very near Southern Trace Shopping Center. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Glenbrook in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home is offered at $429,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.